listen, if you're 18, 19, or 20, and you think money will magically show up later, stop. Your 20s are not a waiting room. They're the launch pad. And today, I'll show you 3 side hustles you can start with 0 skills, 0 money, and 0 experience that can help you make your first $150 before your degree is even over. But the real reason we're doing this? To prove something to you. You don't need to be born rich to learn how money works. You just need one step, done consistently. Let's begin. Side hustle 1. Faceless short-form content. The attention economy. Here's something most young people in the US don't realize. Some of the highest earning teens online never show their face. Platforms don't pay for looks, they pay for attention. And attention has no face. If you can make a stranger stop scrolling for 3 seconds, you can make money. Here's how beginners actually do it. Step 1. Pick a guaranteed viral niche. Money facts, celebrity stories, tech updates, AI tools, business lessons, motivation, mystery, productivity. Step 2. Edit simple content, stock footage, photos, screen recordings, AI-generated visuals, captions, dramatic music. You don't need fancy editing. You need emotion plus curiosity. Step 3. Use this format. Hook, suspense, build up, payoff. Example hooks. Most people don't know this, but stop scrolling. This will save you money. Right now, platforms like Snapchat, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are in a full-on war for attention. When apps fight, creators get paid. There's a teenager making 6 figures a year doing exactly this. Same phone as you, same apps as you, just a different belief system. Side hustle 2. Discord community building, digital real estate. Most adults in the US don't understand Discord. Bots, roles, channels, automations. It's confusing, and that's exactly why it's valuable. When something feels complicated to others and natural to you, it becomes a skill you can sell. Here's how students turn this into income. Step 1. Study 5 successful servers. Look at onboarding flow, channel structure, rules, events, chat activity. Step 2. Learn essential bots. Me E6, Carlbot, Dino, Midjourney bot, Giveaway bot. Just these 5 made you look like a Discord expert. Step 3. Offer your first setup completely free. Fix their server. Clean the structure. Simplify everything. Give them clarity. Clarity gets testimonials. Testimonials get clients. Step 4. Charge monthly retainers, $40 to $120 per server per month. 3 clients equals your first $150. You're not selling Discord setups. You're selling order, simplicity, and community, the most overpriced assets in the digital world. Side hustle 3, online writing, the digital superpower. Writing is not a side hustle. Writing is a weapon. Because if you can express ideas clearly, you can sell, educate, influence, and more importantly, get paid. Businesses need writers for YouTube scripts, Instagram captions, threads, emails, ads, landing pages, product descriptions. You don't need perfect English. You need clarity and emotion. Here's how beginners land clients fast. Step 1. Create 7 writing samples, 2 captions, 1 YouTube intro, 1 email, 1 ad, 1 motivational script, 1 product description. Step 2. DM 20 small creators. Message, I rewrote one of your captions for free. If you like it, I'll write 5 more. Value first. Payment later. Always works. Step 3. Scale slowly. From $10, $20, $50, $150 per script. Because your words make others money. You never stay broke again. If this helped you even a little, hit the like button. It tells me to create more videos like this. And if you want simple, clear money guidance every week, subscribe. Not from me, but for the version of you who refuses to stay stuck. Remember, your first 10,000 rupees is not money. It's identity. It's the moment you prove to yourself that you're not powerless, you're not behind, you're not late. You're just one decision away from a completely different financial life. Start small, stay consistent, and one day you'll look back, smile.